Like this one. Just do it once. 1, 2. Lift that one up, put it down. Lift this one up, put it down. Lift that one up, put it down. Lift this one up, put it down. You got it? Okay, let's do it while you walk. Try it again. There you go, good. Keep your back muscles nice and straight. Super. That's called the bicycle. Keep doing it. Keep trying. There you go, good. Good. Look at his ears while you do that. Okay, now put your hands right here. Good. And just look at his ears. A little scary. Try putting one hand right there. Wait, not right